Hey Quinn, what do you want to go see?
Where's the tiger?
Monkey.
Monkeys? What else?
Monkey.
Oh, monkeys are that way?
Do you want to see a tiger?
Let's go see the monkey.
Do you want to go see a tiger?
Yeah, tiger.
What's a tiger say?
Oh, what's this? What's this? Squirrel. Like literally, a squirrel is right there. There's a squirrel right there.
Where?
Right there.
I don't know the tiger on there. Do they have
There's a squirrel.
Look right down there.
Right there.
There's another one.
Hey, look at the fish.
Is that a fish?
Yeah.
Is that a koi fish?
Yeah.
Is it a koi fish?
Yes, it is a koi fish.
There's another one.
Did you know that these are the symbol of perseverance?
Okay, abominable.
Koi fish are the symbol of perseverance?
That's a big kitty.
Bye.
Stand up, Cam.
Say cheetah. Cheetah.
See the giraffes, Quinny?
Oh, you can't have. Oh, look, here comes one, Queenie. He wants food.
What are those? Giraffes. Quinny, can you say giraffe?
I want to
You want a giraffe? Oh, don't we all, I guess.
What is it, Quinn?
Monkey.
Let's see the next race again.
What's a monkey say?
Look, he's looking at you.
Oh.
Oh, he's doing it. Turn around. Turn it around so you can see the monkey.
It doesn't zoom in, so it's hard to see. Hey. Can you say bye, monkey? Tell him bye. Say bye, monkey.
My monkey.
Wave to him.
He's a loud monkey.
That big one's like what?
Wave and say bye, monkey.
Bye, monkey.
Wave to it. Wave and say bye. Bye, monkey.
Bye, monkey.
Quinny, what is that?
Still more, Eva.
Yeah, there's more.
There's another one back there. See him in the back?
You can walk up this way. Say hi, Wolf. Look, there he is. He's right there.
What's this?
There's another one up there. Oh, you can't, but there's another wolf up there. Oh, look, there's one right there. Look, he's laying down. You can see him. Or her.
What do we say, Quinn?
Bye, Wolf.
Bye, Wolf.
Tell him again. Wave and say bye, Wolf.
I'm a dish train. I'm a wing.
We'll go on the train. Don't worry. Okay, wave. Say bye, Wolf.
Bye, Wave.
Touch his nose.
Where's the skunk? So where's the skunk?
I don't know.
Owie? Yeah.
Touch his nose, Cam.
Right there. Look. It's in the head.
Did you touch it, Quinny? Oh, you give him a head scratch? You give him your ticket. You gotta have her get your ticket. Where are you going? Cam.
Spider, Queenie, spider! It's just, honey, it's pretend. It's pretend spider. Oh, more spider. Look at that one. Wave to Daddy.
Hey, can we take a selfie with the two of us? Can you wave?
What? No wolves are in there. Woo! I just saw it. That's a penguin. Maybe wolves are in there too. They're really tiny. They're just tiny.
Quinn, say bye, penguin.
Hi, penguin. Bye, penguin.
Okay, guys, so hold on, Cam. I got a report. This is pretty groundbreaking. We're at the Cincinnati Zoo. I don't know if you can tell.
But
That lady right there, that's Carol Baskin. She just came from the tiger exhibit down at the Cat Cove. It's Carol Baskin.
where's that?
That is unbelievable.
Red panda?
A zoo station.
Oh yeah, there's a couple up in the tree. But he's coming towards us. Here he comes.
Say hi,
He's got a
Red
pretty
Panda.
face.
Oh, I want one as a pet.
Oh, you know.
I don't know if you can have those as a
Red
pet.
panda as a pet. Nice try.
No, we can't.
Oh, he went in the tree and through the tree the other side. Say, bye, red panda.
Bye, Panda. Red panda.
Bye, panda.
There's no lizard in the book.
Is that good? Say bye, Panda.
Bye, Panda.
Okay. Go find something else.
What is it, Camden? Tell me what it is.
The bald eagle.
A what?
A bald eagle.
All right, I'll let you film it. Do not drop this camera in there.
No,
All right. You gotta hold it nice and steady.
Don't drop it.
So there is a bald eagle.
How many?
There is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bald eagles that I see. Bald eagle, what do you see? You see a human staring at me.
What's a tiger say? Quinny, what does a tiger say? Rawr. Do it real loud. Give me a loud tiger.
Wow.
One more. Rawr. Loud tiger.
Watch the owl. I don't even know what Quinn say, woo, woo.
Yeah?
Oh, look, he looks back at
Hey, Quinn, what does an owl say? What does an owl say? I don't think that's correct.
That is it. Owl.
Oh,
So cool.
oh.
Sit down. Living her best life.
I got this.
Yeah.
Did he die?
Can you say bye, zoo?
Say, Daddy, that's not how we dance. Show him how we dance, Quinn.
All right, let's see you dance. What do you see over there? What is that, Quinn? What kind of animal? Is that a giraffe?
No.
No, what is it?
Elephant.
An elephant. You are right. How many elephants are there? Come on, how many?
1, 2.
Yeah, 2 elephants. Alright.
That's the video of the Cincinnati Zoo. Please like and subscribe.
Quinny, can you say bye, zoo?
Bye. You should come here. This place is awesome. Ah. Bye.
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 Stand up, Cam.
Say
Bye.
bye, Kudu.
Say bye, Kudu.
Bye. Bye, Bear. Bye, people.
Wave to it. Wave and say bye. All right, tell him bye.
Bye, Mikey. Bye, Chief. Bye, Fox. Bye, Bear.
Say bye, Yeti.
Bye, Yai.
Say bye, Rhino.
Bye, Reno.
Okay, say goodbye, zebra.
Bye, Rhea.
Okay, wave, say bye, wolf.
Bye, Riff.
Pinky orange color.
Quinn, say bye, flamingos.
Bye, Reno.